How to download and add Screencastify screen recorder video extension on Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Google Chrome and go to Google and search for Chrome Store like this, and click on the first option, Chrome Web Store, and go to the search bar here in the top corner and search for Castify. Castify, and here's it. Click on it. It have more than 6 million users, which means it's so good to screen record your computer. As you can see, it's so easy to use and good. Now click on add to Chrome and click add extension, and everything is gonna be done for you. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.